Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're preparing well for your examination. So in the last video we saw till this Zoom display. I hope you understood. If not, just comment it below. Whatever you need, just comment it below. I will reply to you. Also, I am providing classes for the students who are residing in Australia for this kind of examination as well as for the school curriculum, which will include all the basics and one-to-one session. So if anyone is needed, just comment below. Okay, so let us now see the unknown. In here, in the equations given below, hashtag always represents same mathematical sequence. So what they are saying is wherever the hashtag is there, there is a sequence. Okay, so the sequence is used. The sequence is made up of one basic operator. So operator is nothing but it might be like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Among four, any one will be an operator followed by a positive whole number. So let me put it as n. Okay. And followed by another one of the basic operator. So it's like first one would be operator, the second one would be a number, third one would be another an operator. For example, it might be like times, 5, minus, something like this. Okay, now we have to find what is the hashtag represents here. We have to find this sequence. Okay, for that they have given you two examples. So whatever the sequence it is, it must satisfy this two equation, then that is our sequence. Okay, so let us take 3 hashtag 2 equal to 4. So for example, if it is like 3 plus 2 or plus 3 minus 2. Okay, so the answer would be 3 plus 3, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So we can take this as our sequence. Let us apply the same for this number. Okay, so it was the hashtag was implying plus 3 minus. Okay, so 4 hashtag 1 equal to 7. So 4 plus 3 minus 1 equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 1 is 6, which is not equal to 7. So this is not our sequence. Now we have to find what sequence is it. Let's try another one. 3 times 2 minus 2 equal to 4. So here our sequence is this. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So we got 4 equal to 4. So this might be our sequence, which is times 2 minus. Okay, let's try. So 4 times 2 minus 1 equal to 7. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. Yes, this is our sequence. Okay, I hope you understood till this part. If not, just replay the same once again. Okay, go back, just see to the same. If again you're not understanding it, just comment below. I will help you out with another video. Okay, so let's find the first one. 3 times 2 minus bracket 2 times 2 minus 1. So wherever there is a hashtag, I just wrote the sequence, as you can see. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Our answer is B. Let us do the second question. So instead of hashtag, we have to apply the sequence. So 4 times 2 minus 1 times 2 minus. So here we don't know what is it. So let me take it as x. So x equal to 9. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 1 is, 8 minus 1 is 7. And 7 times 2 minus 10 minus x equal to 9. So it's 14 minus into plus minus 10 and minus into minus plus x equal to 9. So 14 minus 10 is 4 plus x equal to 9. So x equal to 9. This 4 transposes here. So minus 4. So 9 minus, x equal to 5. That is our answer. Option C. So I hope you understand till this part, okay? So the next question is online music. Finn has downloaded 3 types of music tracks: R&B, EDM, K-pop from 3 online stores: iTunes, Spotify, generic tracks. The figure indicated the distribution of his downloads. For example, half of his tracks came from iTunes, so half from iTunes, and 1/4 of these were R&B. So of this half, 1/4 is R&B. So this is what they have given. So this is the data that we have to stick to. Okay. First, let us read the question. So the 12th question is, if Finn downloaded 6 EDM tracks from iTunes, how many K-pop did he downloaded from generic tracks? Okay, so let's find out this first. So 6 EDM from iTunes. So this is equal to 6. So let us frame an equation for this. So Finn's download into 1/2 into 1/4 equal to 6. So if you multiply these two fractions, it would be Finn's download into 1/8 equal to 6. So Finn's download equal to, when this division crosses the equals, it becomes multiplication. So 6 times 8 is equal to 48. So the Finn's download for this 12th question is 48. I hope you understand till this part. So for the 12th question, Finn's download is 48. What they are asking now? They want you to find how many tracks did he downloaded in K-pop of generic tracks. So K-pop generic tracks, from generic tracks. So let us make the equation for this. It would be like 48 into, because Finn's download we found it to be 48, into 1/3 into 1/8 equal to, if you cancel these two, if you divide 48 by 3, our answer would be 1 times 6 times. If you divide 48 and 3, you get 16 as your answer. And if you divide 8 and 6, it would be 2 times. So he downloaded 2 tracks from K-pop from the generic store. So I hope you understood this 12th question. Okay. So for this question, each data changes as per the question. Here they have given it is equal to 6. That's why we found the Finn's download is 48. So let us find the 13th question. If Finn downloaded total of 24 tracks from Spotify, how many tracks did he download from iTunes? So from Spotify, he downloaded 24 tracks. So Finn's download into 1/6 equal to Spotify. So but they have given Spotify values 24. So Finn's download is equal to 24 times 6. Because this is division, when this division crosses the equals, it becomes multiplication. So that's why 24 times 6. So fins download is equal to 6 4s are 24, 2 balance, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. So now we found the total fins download is 144 tracks. So this is 144 for 13th question. They want you to find out how much did he downloaded from the bytones. So from 144 he downloaded half from the bytone stores. So 144 times half would be 72. So he downloaded 72 tracks. For 13th question the option is D 72, and for 12th question the option is A 2. So I hope you understood till this part. The next segment is testing metals. Metals can be ranked on a scale of reactivity. Jaw uses a special meter that compares one metal to another. The meter measures the difference in reactivity between the two metals. Jaw compared several different metals. The results are shown in the table. Okay. For example, magnesium is 55 units more reactive than zinc. So magnesium is more reactive than zinc. Aluminium is 31 units less reactive than zinc. Okay. So if the first metal and second metal are swapped, the difference is reversed, as shown in the magnesium and aluminium in the table. So if it is magnesium and aluminium, it was plus 6, and when the metals are swapped, it becomes minus 86. So that is what they are talking about. So I hope you understood the given data. So let us first find out the order of reactivity, okay, for better understanding. So when you compare magnesium and aluminium, so magnesium is more reactive than aluminium. Okay. So when you compare aluminium and zinc, aluminium is less reactive because it's in negative, less reactive than zinc. But when you compare magnesium and zinc, magnesium is more reactive than aluminium. So we can erase this and write zinc here and aluminium here, because aluminium is less reactive than zinc. So far this is our three metals. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 metals are there. So we already created the order for 3 metals. Only 3 more to go. Now let us check with, we have to check with these 3 metals. Okay. So where is magnesium? Here is it is. So when you compare lead and magnesium, magnesium is more reactive because lead is less reactive because the values is in negative. So we can write it as lead. And when you compare lead and copper, lead is more reactive than copper. Okay. And when you compare copper and gold, copper is more reactive than gold. So we have created the series according to what they have given. But the issue is we don't know whether zinc and aluminium is more reactive than this lead, copper and gold, because they didn't give any such. Okay. But magnesium is more reactive than everything. So that is more reactive. That is what we have found so far. Okay. So with this idea, let us start doing the questions. So the first question is, which of the following metals has the lowest reactivity? So in the series, the answer is gold. Gold is in the lowest reactivity here, right? So our option is A. Then, which of the following metals has a reactivity between the reactivities of aluminium and copper? So aluminium and copper. So before aluminium and copper, it is lead here. Is that right? Magnesium, zinc, aluminium, magnesium, zinc, aluminium, lead, copper, gold. So this is the order we have found. So between aluminium and copper, it is lead in here. So our answer should be lead. What would the meter read if a first metal is gold and the second metal is magnesium? So the first metal should be gold and the second metal should be magnesium. So let us see. So first metal is gold and the second metal is magnesium. That is what they have given. So gold is given in here, given in here. And magnesium is given in here, given in here and here. So we must take gold, lead and lead magnesium, because lead is common in here and gold and magnesium is what we need. So we have to concentrate on gold and magnesium here, and lead is what is in between these two. So what we have to do is we just need to add it. So minus 111 plus of minus 71. So minus 111 plus into minus is minus 71. So the answer would be minus 182. Let's see. Yes, our answer is option D. So for 14 it's A, and for 15 it's B, and 16 it's D. I hope you understood till this part.